Hey, super stoked to have you guys here today. Today, we are going to talk about Shiba Inu. We're going to talk about the market cycle. We're going to talk about the listing on Robinhood and also other exchanges and the craziness that's going on right now behind the scenes and why the actual current person running Shiba Inu is pissed off. What's going on, everyone? Win with Ryan here, and we're going to start this video off with a quick giveaway. We're giving away $100, and all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, comment below. Every single comment gives you an entry to win, and then go over to winwithryan.com to make sure that you are subscribed to my Make Money newsletter. That's where we announce the winner every single month. So with that being said, keep winning. All right, everybody, SHIB Army, what's up? So first and foremost, I wanted to show you guys this here. This is the daily charts for Shiba Inu. Now, some of you guys, most of you guys are freaking awesome, right? Some of you guys in the comment section are freaking hilarious, right? So some of you guys are like, oh my God, why are you guys spitting FUD? Why are you guys talking trash? You guys shill the coin and then you spit FUD, blah, blah, blah. That's not how it works, bro. So first and foremost, there are holders of SHIB, right? Lifetime, cult members, never letting go, SHIB Army, I bleed Shiba Inu type of holders. Totally cool. And you know what? I'm freaking super stoked for you if you've been in from here. This is where I entered. I entered the day before the ride up. It was awesome. Took profits though. So yesterday on my video, when I talked about people potentially taking profits, look at this. They broke through super support here and then continued to fall all the way down here. So what we're talking about is a 24% move, 24% move. That's massive for traders. Okay. So there's two different types of people in the industry, people that trade and then people that are holders, hold till the day I die, hodl baby, right? So you got to remember, we cater to both people here in our community. We have traders and we have holders. And then we also teach people in our Discord to be both long-term holders and also traders. So when we were talking way back here, in fact, if you go back and watch AJ's video from basically a week and a half ago, he told you guys, hey, this could be a local top and we could be seeing a retracement. And then of course, over the next couple of days, that move actually in all, which he called was a 50% move. Okay, so that's big, massive money when you're trading. So for all of you holders out there that are super believers in Shiba Inu, that's freaking awesome. In fact, I have some news that we're going to cover today, and it's going to put some ease in your mind. But I just wanted to cover this with you guys. We don't spit FUD. We don't shill coins. We talk about projects that we like, and we talk about projects that we enjoy talking about. And Shiba Inu is definitely one of them because this thing's freaking awesome. We know that. But for those of you that are traders that want to make some profits and keep those profits, it's not what you make, it's what you keep, right? That's with everything. We were just having sure that people were going to be taking profits, right? So if you got up here and you were in here, would it be smart to take out your initial investment anywhere along the right here? Yeah, because right now, if you took out your initial investment anywhere in here and then it dropped down, you don't give a crap right now. You're still in profit. Like for those of you that are brand new to Shiba Army and you were convinced, hey, you got to get in now, you got to get in now, and you got in here at the top and it's come down here and you're like, holy moly, you know, I put my life savings in this coin because I thought I was going to be awesome. You're probably stressed out right now. And we're going to talk about that. Exactly. So let's take a look at this 4-hour chart. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. I want you guys, because I don't want you guys to be scared. I'm trying to remove the fear. And what we're going to do is we're going to talk about why the fear should not be there. So first and foremost, this dip came all the way back to the 0.70. And we were talking about that in between 0.618 and 786. That is what they call a buy zone in the trading life, right? So that's based on this most recent move. And in fact, if you draw a Fibonacci, this 0.70 does not exist. I actually insert that into all of my Fibonacci's because it typically will come there. It'll come to the 786 or the 70, and then it'll make its next move up. Right now, it is making a move up again. We're going to now see if this line that was a massive support here is now a massive resistance. We're going to find that out soon. And if it is, then we may see a continued drop. And this, so right now, just take a snapshot of literally this right here. Ready, set. All right, got that in your head? Now watch this. All right, now behind me, you're going to see the Wall Street market cycle. Okay, we got to keep a few things in mind. We talked about this yesterday too. There's technical analysis, there's fundamental analysis. When you combine them both, you see things happen in the markets. What happened in the markets just recently? Okay, Shiba Inu did not get listed on Robinhood, and it also did not get listed on Kraken. So two fundamental things playing into play here. And we're going to talk about Satoshi Kusama and how pissed off he is and what he actually said to them here in just a few minutes. So stick with me, because this is crazy stuff. And just like put the conspiracy together here, okay? Is there manipulation going on behind the scenes, not with Shiba Inu, but with the traders, with the big institutional investors? All right, so here we go. As you can see here, we got the market cycle. We were just here. Euphoria. I'm a genius. I'm buying my Shiba Inu Lambo. Right? Remember that? Just like a week and a half ago. Woo! Frick yeah, dude, I'm rich. And then we had the little drop. So if you remember the little thing I showed you a minute ago, the charts of Shiba Inu, and then we had the rebound, also known as a dead cat bounce here, right? It came back up. And now where are we? Now we are here. We are at anxiety. Why am I getting margin calls? This dip is taking longer than expected. Now it did bounce off that 0.70, so hopefully it stays there. But if it keeps dropping, denial, then panic. Shit, everyone's selling, need to get out. And then this trickles along, and then boom, we start back right here. The market cycle, hope. I'm broke even again. Optimism. And this just happens over and over and over. And this is built into the system, okay? So the better you can get at reading the market cycles, the more money you're going to make as a trader. The better you can get at reading the market cycles, the better you can get as a buy and holder, because what can we be doing during anxiety and denial and panic? So maybe we dollar cost average a little bit here. We dollar cost average a little here. We dollar cost average a little here. And then we just wait, right? So over the next couple of weeks, if we trade sideways or it dips a little bit more, you get paid on Fridays. Okay, so we put a little bit of our paycheck in there. Not financial advice. I'm not telling you how to trade. I'm not telling you how to buy stuff. But this is for you that do buy Shiba Inu. Smart things that you might want to do, right? Not financial advice, financial entertainment here. As it goes down more and more, instead of losing your mind, that's also why you don't ever put your rent money, your car payment, your anything into cryptos. Because right now you're just chilling, man. Bummer. I'm down a little bit. Not a big deal. It's going to go back up. And when you see this news I'm about to show you from Satoshi, it's definitely going back up. All right, so here's a better view for you, right, on the 1 hour chart. So we had right here the peak, to come down, to bounce back up. It's coming down slowly. Obviously, it doesn't look exactly like this. Like no chart ever looks identical to that. But it's starting to come down. It's coming down. It's coming down. It's bouncing here. We're going to see, does it continue coming down? And when do we start trading sideways? So I just wanted to show you guys this. Wanted to take all the fear out of it and let you know, those of you that did take profits here, hey, congratulations, right? You are now in a good spot to take those profits and put it back in for an extra compounded amount of Shiba Inu. So that's really cool. For those of you that are stressed out, I don't know when it's ever going to go back up. The market cycle is just playing out. So we will see it play out. Here's what it looks like. Even better on the 4 hour, you can see it playing out here. Okay. My us against them brain first thought it was to stop us. Then I saw Kraken tweet and not list us. Got me thinking. And again, just my thought, Robinhood and Kraken are two USA exchanges and follow stringent laws here. Before they can list any asset, they have to ensure 400%, 400 million person, obviously, all information is correct. Since they don't talk to us, who would they go to for the information? Who can confirm the supply? Who is the authority in the space? Coin market cap. And guess what? They probably had it wrong. Oh, SHIB. So they'd have to fix, but couldn't say a word because they can't speak about any type of movement with an asset about to be listed. This makes sense and goes along with the Robinhood CEO statement. Something like, we investigate all assets before we list. Also would delay Kraken. So what does SHIB haters do? Frickin' say we added tokens. What the hell? So obviously pissing him off. And this is crazy stuff going on, right? So all-time high, this stuff happens. You can see how the correlation FUD, it's not FUD, this is just potential, what's going on behind the scenes type of thing, right? Did the Wall Streeters not get in time and now they got to bring it down? And he continues on here. Are you guys not watching what is happening? Are you missing the point? This is a long-term play for mutual funds and hedge funds, and you believe we just minted more tokens for ourselves? Laugh out loud. I'm sitting here trying to buy the dip like I did at additional zero. So yes, it is FUD, and I want an explanation from CMC, CoinMarketCap. We all deserve that, but I understand that they cannot say anything. I'm patient. As SHIB Informer said, this is now a new focus for us. We aren't a small SHIB anymore. We have to start thinking about things that just didn't matter before, and this is one of them. Okay, let's talk progress. Leash is getting listed on more and more exchanges even before we announce how it works in the game. And the Shiboshis have a floor near 2 ETH. We covered that in my last video. If you guys talked about, if you saw the NFT game that's coming, and we'll talk a little bit about that. But the floor of a Shiboshi is 2 ETH. The top is just crazy. You can go look for sure on OpenSea. We are the most successful token this year, and I refuse to let FUD destroy us, but ultimately, like everything, it is up to you. Shibarium is coming along as well. You'll even start to see other projects claim to be first on Shibarium. Shibarium, by the way, is their blockchain. They're building their own blockchain now, aligning with our partners to ensure seamless onboarding. We aren't there yet, dude. Laugh out loud, but it shows you the enthusiasm and longevity of our projects. Regardless of this temporary dip or the FUD from all over, SHIB is stronger than ever, and we will continue to grow. I've been on meeting after meeting after meeting of tokens and projects getting a sniff score, and I think we can all agree our social media is doing well as well. And as you know, obviously the SHIB army is the #1 most trending topic in all of the internet. And then also he tweeted this here, retweeted Kraken in the marketplace. SHIB army is just going ham on Kraken right now. You can see their rating is a 1.1 now because everyone's pissed off that they didn't get the listing, even though that they tweeted that they would list it. So people are pretty upset. It went on and on and on, all kinds of stuff. So you can go in there and check it out. So what we have here to recap, win swap, when audit's green, so you don't have to worry. Yes, we got insurance as well. Things good. Yes, team is now optimal. And the influx of funds for yours truly and Eric will help us tremendously implement. All bone tokens are fake and FUDders will get wrecked. That's it. Also, just so you guys are aware, he also in here went on to talk about the game. They do have the AAA studio. He also has somebody on board. They're working with someone that used to work for actual Disney that's going to be part of the program. So tons and tons of stuff. Hollywood studio coming on board to help build this game. It's just going to be absolutely insane. And there's also a super epic veteran game builder. They can't even say who it is yet, but things are coming along. So the future looks bright, but the market cycles happen no matter what. And also they wanted to probably protect the actual listing on these exchanges. So get the price, let it ride back up, and we'll see what happens.